Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mike Pear again, here to talk about some more crypto. Last time we went through, we were talking a bit about exchanges, but now I want to talk about what are some of the different use cases for cryptocurrencies. Speculation, trading, kind of talked about that before. Savings or store of value. You can actually give them, transfer value to others. Initial crowd offerings. I'm going to talk more about that. It's going to be the main focus of this video. And then there are some projects that are using blockchain technology from a back-end perspective, and it's not really that relevant to consumers. So let's talk about this initial crowdfunding. What is initial crowdfunding? What does that mean? So initial crowdfunding basically is a means for a company or a set of developers or whoever it is to be able to raise funds for an idea or product that they want to create. So as it relates to cryptocurrencies, there are a lot of different developers, business guys, CEOs, whatever, startups that want to raise funds for a particular idea that they may have come up with that has some relevance to the cryptocurrency space. So an example of that is a project that's called EOS, and you can actually go and sign up for their newsletter on EOS.io. EOS.io. So they build themselves. EOS.io is a operating system for blockchains where applications can be run on top of the platform that are fast and scalable. So when does this ICO take place? The EOS ICO will start on June 26, 2017 at 9 a.m. That's Eastern Standard Time. But 13 UTC, that's a Universal Coordinated Time or Time Coordinated. So I'm just going to walk you through the process of what that means. So let's go out here and take a look. So go EOS.io. All right. And while I'm here, I'm going to show you all another thing. Okay. All right. So this is the website. You can read about the white paper. What a white paper is basically a document outlining the project, the business case for the project, the technology behind it, the problem that they're trying to solve, how is it good for the consumer, and all of that. So here is the EOS token distribution. It's countdown, say it's starting at 2 days, 11 hours, blah, blah, blah. Now you see this thing here, it says US IP detected, participation not allowed. So because of US securities laws and they want to stay clear of all of that stuff, not run into problems with the US government, they're prohibiting people from actually signing up in the United States. The way that you can circumvent that is go out here to nord.vpn, sign up for this thing, download the software, and then you can specify other countries that you want your for it to look like where you're in another country when you're actually not, to be able to get around this contingency here. So I use that. Shout out to Trent for telling me about that. And so basically it just goes through the details in terms of what is it gonna do. So let me actually turn that on for you so we can step through this a little bit further. For some reason I couldn't get the VPN piece up right now, so I won't be able to show that piece. It's probably going to require me to reboot my computer, but I'll get back to it later, maybe in another video. So I can't really show this piece here, but I can show you the rest of it. But what you're going to need to do in order to participate is that you're going to need some Ethereum coin. So we had talked about before that if you have a Coinbase wallet, you can go through, and this is the token here, Ethereum. You can purchase it from Coinbase, and you'll get an address. All right. But in order to participate again in this EOS distribution or token sale, ICO, you're going to have to download this. First, you need to use the Chrome browser. So if you're not using Chrome, download Chrome, get it installed. You can go to, if you type in Chrome and spell, Chrome, google.com, you can go there. You should be able to download the Chrome browser. I'm actually using Chrome already, but you can download the Chrome browser from there. And then once you're there, then go to metamask.io once you have the Chrome browser installed. Then it says brings Ethereum to your browser. What this is going to allow you to do is actually install a Ethereum wallet. Again, Ethereum is a token. All tokens have to have a wallet. You can purchase Ethereum on Coinbase using US dollars. They'll send you Ethereum. Then you'll transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to the Ethereum here. The reason you need to do this is because, I'm going to show you an example. Here, I've already installed this wallet. Let me go ahead and log in. All right. So this is the Ethereum account I have here. Once you set this up and install it, you can just click on the little fox. It'll come open. You have to put your password in, then it brings you to the wallet. Then say if I want to receive some tokens here, this is my account. I can then scan with my phone using my Coinbase wallet if that's where my Ethereum is that I want to fund this wallet with. I'll go ahead and I'll just scan the QR code. Once I scan the QR code and send the funds over, Ethereum will show up here. So I don't know why it's not showing any transaction history. It's probably from yesterday. But you can see that I have this wallet funded with some money. Now, when EOS comes up and I get this piece, I'm gonna show this in another video once I get that VPN software running, but it'll show here, and when this comes on, it's gonna give me a contract for this ICO, and there's gonna be a piece of code that I'm gonna have to paste in. So if I go back to my my MetaMask wallet here, you'll see I'm gonna want to send. It's gonna say a recipient address. They're gonna give me an address. I'm gonna put that address in here, whatever the address is. So I'll just say EOS. It might be just a contract name. I think it's gonna be EOS something, EOS sale. All right. Then I'm gonna specify the amount, and then it's gonna give me some more data here. And I'm gonna take that data and I'm gonna paste it in here. So let's say if it's, I don't know what it's gonna is. I think it's gonna be some. It's just gonna be some kind of data that you're gonna have to specify, paste in there. And then once I do that, it will send it to this contract. And again, this particular project is going to be broken up into 5 different periods. I think the first period is going to last for maybe 1 day or 5 days. Then the other 5 periods going to last for so long. I have to go back in the white paper and get the details. But I just want you all to get set up on this. So I'm going to stop this video right here, and I'm going to see if we can get this VPN set up, and I'll come back with another one. Thanks.